This video covers Chord Dock's Reharm feature and workflow. Here's a melody entered as MIDI in the DAW. The key is G major. The accompaniment uses a G, C, D, G chord progression. A piano instrument is already routed to Chord Dock. Let's turn monitoring on and hear it. Each chord is lowered by 1 octave for the accompaniment. Let's also set Chord Dock's key and scale to match the song. Create a section from the chord progression. Duplicate. Windows Control plus drag / Mac Option plus drag. Also change the color. Switch to the Reharm view using the Reharm button. Let's start by trying core mode. Change the chords one by one from the suggested options. Preview it with the play button in the middle panel. Press apply to replace the progression in the timeline. This is how you can develop the original progression into a new chord progression. Undo the previous step. Next, let's try Enrich mode. The Reharm edit window is essential in Enrich mode. Make sure the key and scale match. Double-click any chord you don't want to change to lock it. Adjust the sliders to match your intent and preferences. This time, I went with a progression like this. You can also drag and drop this progression directly into your DAW. Before pressing apply to replace the timeline progression, you can listen to it first. In Enrich mode, you can also generate progression unit candidates. Rebuild mode uses modal interchange from the start. So it focuses more on rebuilding than developing the original progression.